How to add music on Messenger Notes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to add music on Messenger Notes, it is possible with the latest update. Now, the Messenger Notes not only allows you to write in the text but add music as well. In order to do so, make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger. Tap on Update button if available. After that, open the Messenger application and log in into your account. Now that this is done, tap on this Your Note section and you will see a text box. Tap on the text box and you will enter another page. Just below it, you will see a music like icon. Tap on it. Here are different songs that you can choose from. You can play the song and tap on it to add it to your story. Once you have tapped on the song, you can even choose the section of the song that you want to add by using the slider. Once you have reached to that second, you can tap on done and tap on share. And this is how you can add music on Messenger Notes. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.